Start here. Good morning, children. Today I am going to explain exercise 21. 5 weeks, 6 days is equal to dash days. They are asking. See, already you know 1 week is equal to 7 days. 1 week is equal to 7 days. 5 weeks is equal to 5 into 7 days. That is equal to 35 days. 35 plus remaining how many days they given? 6 days. That is 41 days. Okay. The answer is 41. See the second question. 9 meters, 35 centimeters. 35 centimeters is equal to centimeters. So already you know 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. Okay, 9 meters is equal to 900 centimeters. So 900 plus 35, that is 935 centimeters. Okay. See the next problem, third problem. One grass is equal to 144 units. 144 units. Okay. How many dozens are there? How many dozens are there in? How many dozens are there in one grass? One grass. Okay. See, already you know 1 dozen is equal to 12 units. 12 units. So here the question is they are asking to find how many dozens in one grass. So you have to divide that with 12. 144 divided by 12. 12 ones are 12. 14 minus 12 is 2, it is 24. 12 twos are 24. That is equal to 12. 12 dozens. See the fourth problem. 7 into lakh plus 6 into 10,000 plus 5 into 100 plus 8 into 10. So 7 is in lakhs place, 6 is in 10,000 place. Here they give you thousands place, you should give 0. 5 is in hundreds place, 8 in tens place, and units place also is absent. We have to keep 0. That is 7,60,580. See the next problem. Hundred more than 990. 100 more than 990 is 990 is. How much number is 100 more 990? Okay. So 100 more than 990 means you have to add 100. That is equal to 1090. 1090 is 100 more than 990. See the sixth problem. 3 by 17 plus 1 by 17, 7 by 17 plus 1 by 7. Here all the denominators are same. We have to write common denominator and write 3, add the numerators. That is 11 by 17. 11 by 17. Okay. See the seventh problem. If 40 into 60 into 10. So first of all, how many zeros? Here 3 zeros, you have to keep that 3 zeros. 6 fours are 24, 24 ones are 24. So 24,000. See the eighth question. If 16 is half of a number, half of a number, comma, what is the number? What is the number? What is the number? Here half of a number is 16. Half means it divides into two parts. Each part is called half. So half of a number is 16. So the required number is 16 into 2, that is 32. Half of 32 is 60. See the ninth problem. Say true or false. True or false. Or false. Okay. 17 is not a factor of 17 is not a factor of 187. Factor means it completely divides the given number. Here the given number is 187. We have to divide that with 17. 17 ones, 17 ones. So it completely divides. That means 17 is a factor of 187. But here the given it is not a factor, so it is false. Okay. So factor means it completely divides the given number. That means remainder is 0. Here the 17 completely divides 187. See the 10th problem. Tick the numbers. Tick the numbers which are divisible by 6. Which are divisible by 6. Which are divisible by 6. Okay, na? See the given numbers is 7806. Next 9512. Okay, 9512. Next number 5431. Okay, and next one 8004. 8004. So no need to check with the division, long division with 6. You have to use divisibility rule by 6. The rule for 6 is it is a number is divisible by 6. A number is divisible by 6. It is divisible by, if it is divisible by both 2 and 3. If it is divisible by both 2 and 3. Already you know the divisibility rules, already I explained in the previous exercises in mental maths. Divisibility rule of 2. Rule for 2 you have to write. Rule for 2. Okay. A number is even. A number is even. It is divisible by 2. It is divisible by 2. It is divisible by 2. See, observe what numbers they given, and these are divisible by 2 or not. You have to tick here. It is an even number. It is divisible by 2. It is also even number. It is divisible by 2. It is also even number. It is not divisible by 2. But it is not divisible by 2. Next rule for 3. Sum of the digits is divisible by. Sum of the digits is divisible by 3. Is divisible by 3. Okay. So these are called digits. We have to add 7 plus 8 plus 0 plus 6. How much it is? 15. 6 plus 6, 21. Yes, it is divisible by 3. And next number is 9 plus 5 plus 1 plus 2. Okay, 12 plus 5, 17. It is not divisible by 3. And next number is not divisible by 2, so no need to check. A number is divisible by 6 means it is divisible by both 2 and 3. Here it doesn't satisfy with 2, so no need to check with 3 and go for the next 8 plus 0 plus 0 plus 4. It is 12. Yes, it is divisible by 3. So divisible by 3. So observe this. Which number is divisible by both 2 and 3? This one and this one. So these are the correct options. So these two are wrong. Okay. Today's class completed. Nana. Bye children.